If your Tesla Model S AC isn't blowing cold air, several factors could be at play. The most common causes include a failing AC compressor, low refrigerant levels, or issues within the cooling system. Models from 2012 to 2020 are particularly prone to wear and tear due to high mileage. Software glitches can also cause problems. A failing AC compressor is often the culprit, especially in older models. This electrically driven component pressurizes refrigerant but can fail due to wear or electrical faults. Low refrigerant levels lead to poor cooling. Leaks at seals or hoses are common, particularly in humid climates. Issues in the cooling system, which integrates with the battery's thermal management, can also prevent proper AC function. High mileage in 2012-2020 models increases the risk of AC failures due to component wear. Software glitches can mimic hardware problems, so keeping your software updated is crucial. To troubleshoot, start by checking your Tesla app for error codes such as HVAC compressor fault. This can provide immediate insights into the issue. Ensure your car's software is up to date with over-the-air updates, as Tesla frequently releases fixes for AC-related software glitches. The AC compressor is an electrically driven unit that pressurizes the refrigerant. If it fails, you'll get no cold air. Common issues include electrical faults or general wear, especially in older models. Tesla's 2025 software updates included enhanced diagnostics that can help pinpoint compressor problems. If you suspect a compressor issue, a professional diagnosis is recommended, particularly for models still under warranty. The Tesla Model S AC system integrates with the battery coolant loop for maximum efficiency. This shared thermal management helps regulate both the battery temperature and cabin cooling. Key components to inspect include the AC fan, also called the blower motor, and the cabin air filters. Blockages in these areas can significantly reduce airflow and cooling performance. Check the cooling fan operation carefully. A faulty cooling fan can lead to overheating of the system and reduced AC effectiveness. Finally, visually inspect all hoses for any signs of damage or corrosion. These are common points for refrigerant leaks, which can severely impact cooling performance. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that address AC issues, particularly in recent models like the 2024 to 2025 versions. These updates enhance diagnostics and fix problems like compressor failures or refrigerant leaks. Ensure your Model S is running the latest software version. Tesla's app and touchscreen show current version details, and updates install automatically over Wi-Fi to improve AC reliability. The Tesla mobile app and vehicle touchscreen provide diagnostic insights, displaying error codes such as HVAC compressor faults and system status for troubleshooting. Alert codes detail specific issues like signal names and user messages, helping identify problems before they worsen. Utilize these diagnostic tools to check for potential AC problems, allowing you to address issues early and often avoid professional help. When it comes to AC repairs on your Tesla Model S, some basic maintenance can be handled DIY, but most repairs require professional expertise. However, handling refrigerant is strongly discouraged for DIY due to EPA regulations and the potential for system damage. Tesla recommends professional service to maintain warranty coverage and ensure safety, especially with high-voltage components involved. Third-party repairs can void your warranty and introduce additional safety risks that professional Tesla technicians are trained to avoid. Preventative maintenance is key to keeping your Tesla Model S AC system running smoothly and avoiding costly repairs. Regular maintenance checks help identify potential problems before they become major issues. This includes inspecting the AC system during routine service visits. Cabin air filters trap dust and debris, preventing clogs in the ventilation system. Tesla recommends replacement every 12 months or 12,000 miles to maintain optimal air quality and system efficiency. High humidity can accelerate corrosion and refrigerant leaks, especially in hoses and seals. Regular checks with professional leak detection tools can prevent system failures and environmental damage. Tesla's app and touchscreen diagnostics can identify issues like compressor faults or refrigerant problems early. Addressing error codes quickly prevents minor problems from becoming expensive repairs. Even with regular care, A professional inspection every 2 to 3 years ensures all components are functioning correctly and can catch hidden issues like internal leaks or compressor wear. Following these preventative maintenance tips will help extend the life of your Tesla Model S AC system and keep you comfortable on the road. Looking ahead, Tesla's AC technology is evolving rapidly. Increasing integration of AI will enable proactive maintenance, with software predicting component wear based on driving data and usage patterns. Future Tesla models may adopt more eco-friendly refrigerants like CO2, known as R744, which offers better environmental benefits and improved cooling efficiency compared to traditional refrigerants. Battery thermal management is advancing to share heat with the AC system, creating a more integrated approach that boosts overall vehicle efficiency, particularly in extreme cold weather conditions. Over-the-air software updates will continue to play a key role, addressing minor glitches and calibration issues remotely, which reduces the need for physical service visits and enhances system reliability. Finally, keep an eye on regenerative cooling systems. As battery technology continues to advance, these systems will harness energy recovery to power cooling, making traditional AC failures much less common.